Welcome to another vehicle overview at Northwest Edmonton Toyota. Today we're looking at this 2018 Toyota RAV4 Limited Hybrid. Underneath the hood, you're going to have a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder hybrid engine, as well as this 5-passenger SUV in this beautiful dark blue color. Comes equipped with fog lights, parking sensors, automatic high beams, splash guards, as well as 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Let's take a look inside of our RAV4 now. Our key fob has a lock, unlock, power liftgate button, an emergency button. Right inside of the doors of our RAV4, you'll notice that you have your memory seat options for a nice comfortable ride every time. You also have your power windows and your power locks. Down next to your seat, this will open up your gas cap, as well as you have your power seat settings. Right next to our steering wheel, we have a power liftgate button, as well as a heated steering wheel to keep your hands warm in the winter. We have our lane departure warning, as well as our brightness settings. We also have our switch to adjust our left and right mirrors. Down here, this will open up your front truck. The RAV4 comes equipped with some beautiful black leather interior, as well as you get your very own power moonroof. Let's take a look at the inside features of our RAV4 now. On the left side, you're going to notice that you have your light stick, as well as on here, you're going to have your volume buttons and your call commands and your radio controls. You're also going to have your voice commands. On the right side, we're going to have all of our settings. For the digital screen in the middle, it currently has our trip information. We also have a compass, audio information, driver support, as well as any safety and system messages. Down here, we also have our cruise control stick. Over here, we're going to have all of our radio and audio information. When put into reverse, you'll be getting a backup camera, as well as you have a 360 all-around view camera for nice, easy parking. You're going to have push to start, as well as you have dual zone AC. And then just below that, you're going to have your heated seats, as well as your different driving modes, your de-icer for your windshield wipers, as well as your charging port. And then down here, we just have our transmission. Let's look at the back now. You're going to notice you have LED brake lights, as well as down here next to your handle, you have your backup camera. Just pushing the button will let it open up automatically. Inside, you're going to notice you have lots of storage space, as well as your back seats can be put down for even more storage space. In here, you're going to have your spare tire. And then this button right up here closes your power liftgate up in one press. Here's a last look at our 2018 RAV4 Limited Hybrid that comes equipped with power moonroof, dual zone AC, as well as backup and all-around 360 camera. Come down to Northwest Edmonton Toyota, take this RAV4 for a test drive and find out more.